Omaima came from Egypt and she lived in America. She was in her early 20s when she was out looking for different men who could provide for her. At the age of 23, she met Bill Nelson, or William Nelson, who was 56 years old, a former pilot. After meeting up for a few weeks, they decided to get married and move into his home in California. Less than a year into the marriage, on Thanksgiving Day in 1991, to try some sort of bondage, Omaima tied Bill to the bed with handcuffs, and then she beat him up, beat his head, took some scissors and stabbed him many times with it. Omaima did this until she killed Bill. It's what she did next that is worse. Omaima decapitated Bill's head and boiled it and put it in the fridge. Then she cut off his hands and fried them, deep fried them, to take off his fingerprints. Bill was 6'4"